Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can download all of your photos from your Google Drive directly into your PC or laptop. All you have to do is first of all be logged in into your Google Drive. As you can see right now, I'm already logged in into my Google Drive, and this is the photo that I want to download, but I want to download multiple photos at the same time. To do so, all you have to do is either create a folder with all of the items that you want to download and move them into the folder, or you can also do is simply click on any empty space right between here, click right click or left click with your mouse and drag the mouse along, and you can see the items or files has been selected in mass. Now all you have to do is click on the download option, and all of the selected items, that is this amount, will be downloaded into your PC directly. And that is how you'll be able to download all photos from your Google Drive. But make sure while selecting all of these items, those are only photos. Other apps or other files should not be inside of that box, otherwise those will be downloaded in your PC as well. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.